There's no such thing as automatic. I try to understand. This verse is very important, very important. We all come from the West with a self-made man. I am a self-made man. I built this industry. I did this. And we're very intelligent, and we're very talented, and we're very proud. But when you come to the Bhakti Marg is based on Sharanagati. Sharanagati and Shraddha. Surrender and faith. We have there's 6 types of surrender. One is to depend always on Krishna. Always depend on Krishna. So, in this verse, Rupa Goswami says, the only way, he says, Hetu lobaika, the only way to get this lobe is directly Krishna will give in your heart and you'll have it. I don't know how I got it, where I got it, I have it. I'm running with it. I was just walking down the football field and the ball landed in my hand. Oh, and then people started chasing me. I started running and I made the goal. So if it lands in your hand, Krishna can give or devotee. So the answer to your question, can this just automatically come? You just read all these books and one day it just happens. However it happens, it may come indirectly, but there's no such thing as indirect. Because in the Bhakti Marg, it is only by mercy, only by kripa one begins the Bhakti Marg, only by kripa one sustains or maintains the Bhakti Marg, and only by adik kripa one attains siddhi or success in the Bhakti Marg. Adik kripa means excessive mercy of Guru and Vaishnavas, Ram Bhaktas and Ramanandis and Goswamis and Brijvasis and everyone. Anyone walking the path of God is a godly person. In Brahmavadi, Advaitan, anyone respects, honor,